Welcome to Talent Protocol. Talent Protocol is the Web3 professional network where anyone can invest in talented individuals. Think LinkedIn meets Patreon, but powered by blockchain and owned by the users. Users can browse talent profiles in the platform and invest in as many as they want. Each talent has a customized ticker for their career coin. In João's case, it's Space, because he's raising funds to become the first Portuguese astronaut. Career coins are personal tokens minted by Talent Protocol. They are tied to a person's career reputation and potential, as well as exclusive services and perks that sponsors can unlock, for example, private career newsletters or voting on career decisions. Sponsors are able to buy career coins using a crypto wallet or credit card, or sell them back to the market for a profit, in case the career coin becomes more valuable. At the core, Talent Protocol is a personal token exchange with a social layer on top. Users can keep track of all career updates from the talent they invested in, and also receive recommendations for new talent they can invest in. Sponsors are incentivized to interact and help talent because their investment will grow if they succeed, and talent are incentivized to perform better because there's an increased sense of purpose and accountability. We will launch an invite-only beta in September, but will gradually open it up to more and more users. Anyone, anywhere, can register as a sponsor or apply to launch their own career coin by connecting MetaMask or other wallet. We invite you to explore more about the Talent Protocol ecosystem in our guide or reach out to us on our Discord server. Thank you.